to another video from Q2of Solutions. We are currently looking at the mathematics module from the British International Distance College. I'm taking you through different assignment questions to help you better understand how to answer them. Visit our website www.q2of17.com for more content and resources to help you. Consider following us, or if you want to contact us, you can DM us on Instagram, and you can consider following us or tweeting us on Twitter. Keep watching the YouTube channel for more support, and consider subscribing so you'll be the first to know when new videos are uploaded. We're currently going through the maths assignments, so let's look at more questions. Let's begin. We are now going to be looking at question number 2. Question number 2 says, solve the simultaneous equations. So we're looking for two variables. We're looking for the value for g and we're looking for the value for h. So if I've got a simultaneous equation, I'm then going to have to solve for each of those terms separately and ultimately get the value for both. So the first equation is 2g minus 3h equals 16. And the second equation is g plus 2h equals 15. So that's what we've been given in the question. 2g minus 3h equals 16 and g plus 2h equals 15. And we are now asked to solve these equations simultaneously. So I'm going to have to make one of these letters the subject of the equation. I'm going to use the method substitution. There are two methods that you can apply when approaching different simultaneous equation questions. You can go with elimination or you can go with substitution. Substitution always works. I'm going to be using it here. I'm going to make g the subject of my formula here at the bottom. So I'm going to have minus 2h. And now if I know what g is, so now I know that g is equal to 15 minus 2h. I'm going to take g, which is 15 minus 2h, and I'm going to substitute g into the first equation. So then I'm going to have 2 bracket 15 minus 2h minus 3h equals 16. If I then expand and I multiply the 2 into the bracket, I'm going to have 30 minus 4h minus 3h equals 16. I'm then going to go further and I'm going to move the numbers to the right and keep the letters on the left. So minus 4h minus 3h is minus 7h equals 16 minus 30. I'll have minus 7h here equal to 16 minus 30 gives you minus 14. 1 and 1 gives you 2, 6 and 4 gives you 10, so that will give you 30. So negative 14. Then I'm going to divide by minus 7, divide by minus 7, and I'm left with h equal to 2. So now I know the value of h. If h is 2, I can now substitute that into this equation in order to get g. So g is now going to equal 15 minus 2 brackets 2 gives me g equal to 15 minus 4. So g is equal to 15 minus 4 is 11. So now I know what g is equal to. G would equal 11 and h would equal 2. If I had to substitute those terms back in, you should be able to get the correct answer, or the term, let's say the expression should be accurate. So if I just show you this, if I had to put in 11 here and an h here of 2, that statement should hold true. 2 times 11 is 22 minus 3 times 2 is 6, so 22 minus 6 does equal 16, and that statement does hold true. So with simultaneous equations, you're looking for the left-hand side equal the right-hand side. And if I know what the two variables are, we're then going to have an expression that would hold true. That takes us to the end of this question. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and hit the thumbs up button if you like the video, and we'll keep creating more to help you.